Hi everyone, this is Dave from Diecast Toys Plus here, and Tommy's with me.
Hi everybody.
And we're going to do a video. Tommy went out this past weekend. He got some mystery cars. So we're going to open these up, let him open them up, and see what he picked out, see what cars he got. If you're new to to our channel, hit subscribe and like and comment below.
Which one is your favorite?
Yeah, let us know which one was your favorite. These were the ones that Tommy picked. I guess these are, so we'll see what there is when he opens them. So
there's two secrets how you can figure out what cars they are.
Two secrets on how you figure out what's the secrets.
There's a hole right here.
Alright, there's a hole right there.
And
what's the other secret?
Where's the other one? And if you put this
flat down?
Yeah, you can see numbers.
There's some numbers. Which number do you go with? The first number or the second number?
The second number.
The second number?
It's number...
What does it say? Number 1?
1.
Okay.
So this will be the Camaro.
Alright, well, let's see. Let's open it up and see what you got there.
And I'm going to look through the hole. Yeah, it's the Camaro.
Camaro? Okay. And scissors. Alright.
Oh, I actually grabbed the wrong bag.
That's alright.
But I got the green.
Passion gasser? Isn't there?
I got the wrong bag though.
Oh, okay. Well, he got this one here, the passing gasser.
Here's a
In this
sticker.
card. And there's a sticker. It comes with there's a sticker in the bag. You get the sticker in the bag in the car. And this has got a gray base on it. And this was Series 1, number 11. This is number 11.
And that kind of goes fast. Now, I'm going to find the right one. Oh, this was the right one.
Passing gasser, and then that one? Alright, that's going to be the next car you got?
Yeah, this is the Camaro.
The Camaro?
Yes.
And, yep, that's Camaro. And there's the sticker for the car.
Camaro.
What kind of, was this a 2013?
The yellow one was hard to find. It took me forever just to find the yellow one.
The yellow? What yellow one? Yellow Camaro?
No, this one.
Oh, the Mazda RX-7?
Yes.
And here's the Camaro, the Copo Camaro. And it does have the thin wheels on the front. I don't know, all these Copo Camaros have thin wheels on the front for some reason. Let's see, next car?
What I'm wondering about, they both have, this one has gray and this one has blue.
On the backing?
Yeah. And this one actually is a trophy.
Yeah, this one has a trophy on it. Yeah, this is the Mazda RX-7.
See, this one doesn't.
Yeah, that one doesn't have a trophy. I don't know what the trophy means.
Maybe it's hard to find.
The hard one in there is supposed to be the Ford GT. The Ford GT is the mystery one.
Yeah, but
and there's the RX-7.
But it did take me a while to find that one.
Yeah, this one I would imagine is pretty hard. It's going to be hard to find. People are going to want this one. And it's green interior. And you got a black base on it. Green interior. I don't know if you can see it there. And you got another Camaro, so we have two Camaros then. So you got two Camaros. Okay. And the next one, you got the Corvette.
Oh, this one also has a trophy.
This one has a trophy too. Number 5, the Grand Sport Corvette. And that was another one you picked
Number
out.
20. Oh,
number
5.
Number 5, yes. Yeah, it's even got a 5 on the side of it.
Oh, it shows the numbers beside of it, what number it is. Like this one's number 11. That's number 11.
Oh, it's got the numbers on it. Yeah, number 11 on the side.
Number 10.
Number 10.
Number 1.
Oh, that's interesting.
They all have the same number on them.
This actually has L. Hi everyone, we're back. The camera kind of shut off on us, so we got all the Tommy's mystery cars out that he found. You got the green, pack and Passing gas. Passing gasser. Wow. Struggled on that one a little bit. There's that one. And what's that one there, Tommy? Corvette split window. Or, yeah, Corvette Grand Sport. There's that one. Then he has 2 of the Mazda RX-7s.
And 2 Camaros.
2 Camaros. That's a 13 Coppola Camaro.
Mm-hmm.
And what are the last 2 you got?
The Mustangs.
And 2 Mustangs, 70 Boss Mustangs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit subscribe, like, any comments below, and anything that you see. Until next time, this is Tommy and David. See you later.